Damian's helping me change my spark plugs as my car was misfiring. Cylinder 2 and 4, and you guys can see he showed me. Can you focus? But yeah, 2 and 4 is like, the gap is like totally off.
The heads are just fucking aren't the fuck off.
Them shits is hot. But yeah, and if we have time, gonna install the Mugen rear piece, which I was working to get the old 3M tape off. And look what we got here, Mr. K24. About to boost his car. He already got an intercooler mounted up. He's just waiting on his manifold, right?
Yeah, should be coming in today, hopefully.
Where's your turbo at?
That's in the back.
Oh. Bro got a NOS can right there. Yeah, this S2K is very clean, y'all. Got a new gauge. Red guts. Big Voltex wing. Let me get through here. This turbo, y'all. Shit's about to be fast as fuck, bruh.
She was barking, but the magic box is here. So this piece of shit can get running again.
The manifold came in.
Woo! Let's unveil it.
Oh yeah, unbox it, unbox it. Got a bunch of lines. He used to have a bike in here too, he sold it.
All week for this shit.
Bro came running over here, dropped the box. Bro was excited.
Woo! I'm so excited. Ready for this full titaniumness?
Titanium goodness. Ooh, shit. That shit look heavy. Yeah, this build is gonna be sick, y'all. Stay tuned. Damn, look at the work on that shit, bruh.
My boy Schmuck built. My boy Schmuck built. If y'all need any K-swap goodies or even just any boosted goodies, Schmuck built is the way to do it.
Bro, I'm telling y'all, this build is gonna be sick as fuck, bro.
Fuck, I told Vivi I was gonna go to the mall with her, not no more.
Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. Hopefully I can clear the codes through my Honda app. Seems fine.
Guess the only way to find out is go into boost, right?
Yeah.
You got no check engine light, right?
Nah.
Yeah, you should be straight.
And then if I can just reset.
Serious shit now.
I checked my Honda app. There's no more trouble codes. So I should be able to hit boost, because for the past 2 weeks, bro, I just been babying the car. Haven't been going over 4K RPMs, but now I can rip it. No more codes. Spark plugs swapped. Now we got Damian's S2K on the race ramps. He wants to get his downpipe on and his manifold. And then after that, if we have time, we'll install my Mugen rear pieces. But yeah. Got the sweatshirt off. Getting
serious now.
He ready to go to work. Alright, y'all, got his downpipe in and the manifold mounted up. We just wanted to see how it looks with the turbo on.
Fucking insane.
Making progress. Man, this shit looks sick, y'all. Coming along. 6:14. Getting late, no more sun. It's dark.
2 hours.
Yeah.
tape.
Made some progress.
Hella progress.
Till next time.
Don't worry about this. We're gonna chop this shit off. It's coming out the hood.
Wastegate. It's gonna be flames coming out the hood and flames coming out the back. It's just gonna be crazy, bruh.
Insane, man. Insane. Fuck it.
Day 2, back at Damian'S pad. So we didn't have enough time because it got dark fairly quickly. But yesterday, we got the manifold on and his downpipe. Now look at the progress he's made. Got the heat wrap on the manifold, got the wastegate on, got the intercooler piping to the turbo. Bro, this shit looks menacing, y'all. Look at this shit. Look at the front view. Yeah.
Fat yeah, dude.
It's a nice view right here. Two of the best Hondas ever made, excluding the NSX.
We'll have one soon to the collect.
Sheesh. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting the old 3M tape off so we could install them and complete the look of the Mugen FK8. Alright, so update, you got the old 3M tape off. Then sanded it down with this. And I got the new 3M tape on. Jacked the car up, took off a push clip because the push clip is gonna go in here. And show y'all when it's all on. Just wiping it down. Shout out to Damian for helping me install this. The Mugen lip kit is complete. Just missing 2 more parts for version 2, but basically version 2 is done to my car. Looks good. Shit, not the Modelo time, fool. YouTube, how you doing? Shambi Spoolin, and today we're gonna be going to Darden to get Damian'S S2K tuned. This is following like 2 to 3 weeks later, finishing the rest of the vlog that I filmed when we were doing my spark plugs. And yeah, gonna pick up Jordan and then we'll be on the way to Damian'S pad. Catch y'all there.
Good morning,
Honda boys.
This vlog for all the Honda boys. You want me to drive it?
You want to or no?
Where? To the Darden?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. That's actually hella nice of you though.
Next time.
Next time, I promise. Next time. But good morning.
I'm over.
I'm alright. How you feeling? Feel good? Good morning. That sounds good, bro.
Back up, little man.
Little bro. I don't know how.
Yeah, that
Number 1.
That champ white gleaming.
Baller number 2.
touch up Lexuses. Ooh, vet. Vet on the Dyno. VIP. Got a Teggy. Doing the final prep. That's tough. With the Japanese plate, SSRs. Everything's on the floor. Got the Advance. Clean. Damn. Saw that motion back there, bye. Alright, Damian, what are you guys finalizing for the dyno?
Injectors, map sensor, and connecting charge plug. That's it.
Should be good to go.
Fuel pump earlier. And everything else wired up, ready to go. And the clutch is broken in somewhat, so we'll find out.
Yeah, he just installed his clutch like literally like last weekend. Yo, Damian, what clutch did you install?
Clutch master stage 4. Clutch masters, competition clutch stage 4.
Stage 4? Is it heavy? No?
Lightweight flywheel, so
Oh, okay.
it feels almost like stock.
Oh, wow. Jesse's new whip.
You didn't close it all the way, gang. Redo. Redo. Say it again. Say it again.
Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. Ohayo.
Baller.
We're gonna go to AutoZone, get that man a NOS and an O-ring.
O-ring kit, some drinks. I'm chilling, man.
Ideally put 7s and just fucking too hot. 7s or 8s on the top gas burning hot.
Getting the spark plugs. What a little Doom Buggy ATV right here. God, a suspension. Looks insane.
Yeah, so
4G63. Whoa. Sheepy race. You know, if you see Sheepy, bro, you should be scared. Front facing. That's sick. It's like powder coated blue. Precision turbo. Wow. IG Nemesis _9. That's sick, bro. I want an Evo so bad, y'all. Either an 8 or a 9 or a 5 or a 6, but I'm leaning towards a 5. But I do want a G87 M2 first. That's gonna come first. Later on down the road, you know, when I'm making more money, maybe if I'm monetized, yes, a right-hand drive Evo 5 in white. Manifesting.
One of y'all want to go out there so you can get the fucking exhaust out.
Predictions?
850
I don't
wheel.
trust his injectors.
Getting ready to fire up.
Hand in there.
Say it again.
Hondas.
What was it gonna sound like?
Doing the cake or what?
Yeah. You know? Esuke Suki. Smack that ass. You know when she's on the bridge? She goes over the bridge?
Yeah, she laughs.
Yeah, hey. Safety precautions just in case this shit.
No.
You excited, bro?
Yeah, dude.
You've been waiting for this all 2 months.
Hey.
2 months wait for this
Nothing
day.
but good luck.
2 months wait for this day.
Yo. That shit sounds insane. The man is geeking inside. God. That boy in a 400 wheel club.
7 toys.
This is Damian'S dyno shit, y'all. Rev limiter set to 8K, bro. What? 400 wheel club.
Dude, I feel the power already.
That shit sounded crazy. Oh yeah. Damn. This is sick, man. I'm so happy for you, man. My goodness. Damn, the heel toe action is crazy. What the fuck? This is dope.
Fuck,
This
what
is
did
dope.
I do, bro?
This is dope, bro. So scared.
I should have done a longer. That lag is crazy though.
all need more friends like Jordan. He's just genuinely happy for Damian. That's what it's all about, man. Cars bringing people together for dope builds like this one. I know a lot of y'all might talk shit and say like, oh, 409 wheel horsepower is nothing. But man, in a light car like this one, he is flying.
Damn, it's really hard. And now you're trying to hit him with the thing. Oh my gosh, bro!
Just got here at Jordan's house. About to eat some Mexican food to end off the night.
It sounds like a boost leak.
He gotta fix his boost leak.
Look at that boost leak.
Too much boost,
Too
dog.
much boost. It's crazy. Yeah.
Successful day. First ever dyno experience. Now we about to grub. Alright, y'all. Deuces.
Grubbing.
And if I make it, then we made it, I can't get along. And I keep stressing, said this shit ain't close to being home. It's for my family, if you ask, you know I do this for.